12 were killed on the side of the Bangsamoro Islamic Freedom Fighters or BIFF, while 7 government soldiers were injured during an encounter last Monday, April 22. The government forces are currently pursuing the escaped members of the BIFF Carialan faction. This after the government forces encountered the group, resulting in the death of the 12 BIFF members, including their leader, Mohiden Animbang.
So as of now, as we are here, ongoing ang ating pursuit operations, and of course, those matters cannot be disclosed at this moment, but they will be giving updates. The Philippine Army will be giving updates also on this particular aspect.
According to the Philippine Army, Animbang was a notorious leader of the BIFF who operated in Mindanao. They are considered a local terrorist group by the government. The BIFF is known for using anti-personnel mines, so the government forces are cautious in their operation and also use close air support to avoid these mines and improvised explosive devices or IEDs. With Animbang's death, it is a significant blow to the BIFF forces.
In any organization, terror organization, malaking impact talaga pag ang isang leader ang na-neutralize natin. Because there will be, magkakaroon siya ng vacuum of leadership, and this will disorient the other members, and it's an opportune time for the Philippine Army to pursue particularly these remnants. No? That's why an ongoing pursuit operations is being conducted to make sure na matapos talaga ito ang mga grupo na to.
According to the Philippine Army, the encounter began on Monday in Datu Saudi Ampatuan, Maguindanao del Sur, following reports from residents about armed groups in the area. Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.